Hey everybody, it's me. Just wanted to make a quick announcement that tomorrow I'll be doing a live stream on YouTube here for Krita 4.0, probably about like an hour-ish, just kind of showing what Krita 4.0 can do, what's different about it, what's new. I haven't played in it yet. I briefly went over the new updates they've done. I figured it'd just be kind of cool to just jump in and see what I can figure out, and then you guys can tag along if you'd like and see me struggle or see what's easier. I ask questions if you want. So yeah, if you have any other questions or if you want me to go over a new feature that you've already seen or heard about, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely give it a shot. Otherwise, it should be really fun. From what I've seen so far, of what little I've seen, it's going to be really awesome. So yeah, I'll hopefully see you guys tomorrow. It'll be at 1 o'clock Eastern time. So I think that's like, what, 11? Like 10 o'clock for Pacific, I think. Yeah, about that. So yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.